Hello guys, now I'm going to show you how you can purchase or download MexFlow software from our website. First of all, you need to visit this website mexflow.net and click enter. In the website, you will see some offers, something like that. You can purchase, because currently we have offer ongoing for Black Friday offer. You can purchase right now, but if you want to try the demo, you can visit in this link, try free demo. Okay, click on this link and it will take you to the free download page here. Okay, there is the offer pop-up. I'm going to close it. So here you can click on get free. Also, you can directly visit to the website mexz.net and click enter. And here you will find this MexFlow software link here, MexFlow Best AI Video Marketing Tool. Here it is. I have directly visit the website here. Okay, first of all, we need to have an account in this website. So I'm going to click sign up, and I'll put some name like Andy Raihan, and like Raihan123 g@gmail.com, and I'll put some password. Okay, now click on agree and create account. Okay, account created successfully. I'll save the credential. Now I'm going to sign in the account. So this is, well, we're going to click browse products, or you can visit here and refresh the page. Okay, this is important. You need to refresh the page, and you can see you are logged in. If you are not logged in and you're going to purchase, it will show you to, it will ask you again for login. So you need to refresh here and then click on free. This is already free, but I'm going to show you. Click on this free forever, or someone who want to purchase, you can like, for example, the lifetime deal. And here is our offer code. Okay, here is offer code. Copy and put the offer code here. Control V and apply. So you can see it to apply the 88% discount, and click on pay and choose your desired payment method. This is for cryptocurrency and this is for debit or credit card. Then you can click on pay, and then you just put your card information here and then pay, and then it will take you to the dashboard. Here I'm going to show you dashboard here. You'll see the purchase invoice, everything here. So now I'm going to show you how you can free download and log in and get the free license also. Select the free trial forever and then click on get for free, and it will show you this page, and click on get free. I think it's completed. Okay, free package activated. So you can click view dashboard or access downloads. I'm going to click on view dashboard, and then you can see the purchase here. Okay, I'm going to click on downloads, and then you can see here and click on these files. You can see the files button here, files, and the MexFlow 2.0 and the Windows version here. This is only for Windows, you know, Windows 10, 11, and then click on get, and it will take you to the download folder. Okay, and after download, you can install it. And before that, I'm going to show you the license. Here you can see software licenses on the sidebar. You can see MexFlow. This is expiry 30 days. After 30 days, you need to renew this again. It's free, but you need to renew every month. And then click on credential. In the credentials, you can see here is your license for logging. You need to copy this username and the password. Copy and save it somewhere safe. You can save it on your notepad or somewhere else, or you can visit this site whenever you need this. And copy, and then you're gonna ask for email and password while you open the software. Then you can put this. So I'm gonna show you step by step how can you put this on the software. And after download, let's go to the downloads, files, get. Okay, now click on Windows, and here is the download. I'm gonna click on download. Okay, click on download now. The download is complete. Now click on this exe file. Double click on this file. Okay, run anyway. Okay, it asks for yes or no, and then this page will appear, and click on accept agreement. Next, install. It will. Well, the installation is finished. Click on next and launch MexFlow.
Finish.
Okay, here you go. Now it will ask for email and password. So there you go. Now you going to keep need this thing. Go to the software licenses on the left sidebar and click on credentials, and then copy it by clicking this button, or you can mark it and copy it like this, and then open the software and click on Control V, and then here also copy it, and then click on Control V and click on Remember Me, and then sign in. Let's see. Now it will verify you. Okay, our login is successful. Now you can see, yeah, here you can see free trial, 30 days left, and the profile you can see it is limit, which is a daily limit reached, because I have used more than this. And here you can see 10 limit, and here you can see everything is here. Okay, see you on the next video then. Bye bye.